Mr. D.I.Y operates a massive retail network from its corporate headquarters in Seri Kembangan, Selangor. For students, this site represents a high-stakes environment where corporate operations are managed at a national scale. To join this team as an intern, you need a strategy. We are going to walk through the exact steps required to navigate the application process and secure a placement. Success begins before you even open the application portal. You must gather a specific set of administrative tools to ensure your submission is complete. First, you must be currently pursuing a diploma or bachelor's degree in a field related to retail, business, or technology. Second, you need your finalized resume saved as a PDF, and you must have the specific start and end dates of your university-approved internship window ready to input. Organizing these materials in advance allows you to move through the portal with precision, ensuring your profile reaches the hiring team as a ready-to-review candidate. The first phase of the application involves aligning your availability and academic background with the company's operational requirements. Many applications are set aside immediately because they failed to meet the company's strict time commitment rule. As this timeline illustrates, MRDIY requires interns to commit to a block of at least 3 to 6 months. If your university only allows for an 8-week stint, the system will filter your application out before a recruiter ever sees it. Once you have confirmed your dates, you must select your target placement from the list of available departments. There are 8 distinct tracks, including human resources, marketing, supply chain, and information technology. This logic map shows the matching process. You should map your specific major directly to the corresponding corporate department to demonstrate your relevant academic preparation. Note your chosen department now. It is a mandatory field in the digital form. Choosing the correct department ensures you are placed in a role that aligns with your skills, providing the best platform to demonstrate the performance required for a potential full-time offer after you graduate. With your strategy set, we move to the tactical execution of the application itself. Your resume needs to be tailored to the specific key responsibilities found in the internship prospectus. This mock-up shows where to emphasize essential skills. You must explicitly list your proficiency in Microsoft Office tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You should also include any experience you have with data entry, project coordination, or preparing presentations to match the job summary. Now, go to the online portal and locate the section labeled Fill in your details. Begin by entering your university name, your specific major, and the duration of your internship. Accuracy is paramount when inputting your email and phone number. A single typo in these fields will prevent the talent acquisition team from reaching you to schedule an interview. Next, use the drop-down menu to select the department you identified during the mapping phase. This shows the upload process. Ensure your resume is in PDF format and successfully attached to the file field. Below the upload field, look for the asterisk indicating the mandatory data privacy policy agreement checkbox. If this box remains unchecked, the portal will trigger a submission error and your application will not be processed. Navigating this portal without errors demonstrates the attention to detail and operational discipline required to work in a corporate retail environment. Once you submit the form, the focus shifts to the hiring and onboarding process. After clicking Submit, verify that you see the system confirmation screen before closing your browser. Monitor your inbox and stay near your phone, as the talent acquisition team uses these channels for all initial outreach. If you are brought on board, you will be joining a team of over 19,000 coworkers across the region. This chart shows the 2024 employee satisfaction score of 91%, which reflects the company's focus on creating an environment where staff can grow. Securing this internship fulfills your academic requirements and provides a practical foundation for a career within Malaysia's largest home improvement retail network.